Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm breaking down a real trade where the profit reached around $5,000. I will walk you through what happened, what signals appeared on the terminal dashboard, and what lesson traders can learn from this situation. But before starting the video, if you have joined this Padre terminal, you can use our referral code CryptoWhale, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for our referral link, which is available into the description of the video, if so that you can save money on big transaction fee. Okay, so let's talk about the setup. What was the setup that I made before the trade even happened? The market already showed a few interesting signs. The token had increasing trading volume, growing holder count, liquidity entering the pool. Okay, so these signals started appearing on the terminal dashboard. So let me show you here in the trade section here. As you can see that, so that was a kind of the history that I obtained at that time. So here's the step one, like spotting the opportunity. While watching the dashboard, several large buying transactions started appearing in the recent trades panel. This suggested that traders were becoming interested in that token. Okay, so at the same time, liquidity in the pool continued to increase. Okay, so as a step two, entering the trade, at that point a small position was open. I did open a position by just buying here. Okay, the idea was simple: start with the manageable amount, monitor price movement, and watch how the market reached. So there was a step three, watching the on-chain signal. After entering the trade, the terminal showed strong activity like more wallets buying the token, trading volume, and the price chart forming a higher highs, as you can see here on this side. Okay, so here was step 4, managing the position. Instead of holding the entire position until then, the position was managed carefully, and some profits were taken earlier while leaving part of the position to run if the price continued upward. So here's the outcome that I got. As the trading activity increased, the price moved significantly. By gradually taking profits during the move, the total profit from the trade reached roughly around $5,000. So what was the lesson that you can learn from this trade? There are a few important lessons from this case study. First, preparation matters more than speed. Okay, and the second one is watching on-chain activity can help you understand market momentum, and the third is risk management is extremely important. So here's a final advice: not every trade will work out like this. Markets are unpredictable, and losses are always possible. Okay, so the goal is to stay disciplined and continue learning from each trade. If you want more breakdown of real trading situation and tutorials on Solana trading tools, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.